I am here to show you guys 10 steps that you can take to become a profitable Forex trader. And I know you guys are struggling with Forex trading, and some of you guys have sent me private messages asking me in my DMs what you guys have to do to really become profitable. Guys, I myself passed through a really hard time becoming a profitable trader, and these are the 10 steps that I took to become a profitable trader. Now, if you implement these 10 steps into your trading journey, I guarantee you that you are actually going to see a very big change in your trading, and hopefully you guys will come back and comment down below and tell me how you guys have progressed after implementing these 10 steps. So step number 1, you need to develop a solid trading strategy that is profitable. Okay, I've talked about this in my channel before. When I started trading, the first thing that I really struggled with was to find a solid trading strategy that I can use that is actually profitable. And I went on the internet, on YouTube, Google, searching for all of the strategies that I could implement to become profitable, but I really found that some of them were missing some bits here and there. So it took me really long time to come up with a strategy, back test it, and then implement it. So once I did that, I started to see really big changes coming into my trading career in terms of profitability. So one of the things that you have to consider as the number one is finding a solid trading strategy that works. The second thing that you need in your trading journey is to have a trading plan. Have a trading plan. Whenever you go into the market or whenever you plan to take a trade, please have a plan on how you want to take the trade, what profit you need or what profit you are targeting, and what stop loss you are willing to take, and also what conditions will prompt you to exit the market or exit the trade. Having a solid trading plan is one of the things that actually most traders miss in their trading, and they end up blowing accounts because you see $50 and you had actually planned to take $50 out of the market. You see $50, then again you start saying let it reach 100, let it reach 150, and you actually abandon your previous profit target. So having a plan before you take a trade and sticking to that plan is one of the ways you can actually become a profitable trader in the long run. The third thing that I wanted to tell you guys is journaling. You need to start to journal your trades, guys. Write down every single trade before, during, and after the trade. Record all of your statistics, including how you feel emotional about the trade, how you feel whether it is in profit or in loss. Write down the stop loss, the take profit, and all of your emotions, be it good or bad, during or after, and also before the trade. So have a solid trading plan, have a strategy, journal your trades is the third one, guys. And the fourth one is you need to be consistent. Being consistent, guys, is what actually makes a professional trader. When you start trading and you start going to the market, you make $50 today, you lose $100 the next day. You make $50, you lose 100. You are losing more than you're actually winning. So you need to develop a consistent, profitable strategy, have a trading plan, journal your trades, and as you journal your trades, you will learn which pairs or which time frames you are more consistent on in terms of profitability, and then remain consistent on those things that make you profits. If GBP USD makes you profit, stick to GBP USD and be consistent with trading GBP USD. If the 4-hour chart makes you more profit than a 1-hour chart or a daily chart, stick to the 4-hour chart. Be consistent with the 4-hour chart. Be consistent with the pair you're trading. Be consistent with your trading plan, guys. And with that, you will see in the long run, maybe after a month or 2 or 3 months of being consistent, you will see that you actually see a big change and you see profits coming into your account, guys. The next point I wanted to lay out is withdraw your profits. Whenever you see profits in your account, whenever you see yourself profitable in the Forex market, learn to withdraw profits, guys. It doesn't hurt you in any way to withdraw profits. In fact, that is the reason why we start to trade, okay? To make profits. When you make profits from the market, withdraw it, go and enjoy yourself. Go to a nice restaurant, buy yourself a shirt, buy yourself a cologne, buy yourself, a necklace, bangle, watch, whatever, guys. Whatever you think about that can make you happy, do it with the profits that you get from the Forex market. Withdraw your profits, guys. Okay, the next thing is you need to draw inspiration. You need to draw inspiration from successful traders. You have to draw inspiration. You have to be mentored or draw inspiration from somebody who is already successful. Okay, that is why you find people reading books about George Soros, books about great traders who have actually made it in the trading industry. And also you'll find people watching on YouTube most of these successful traders like Ref Wayne, like Sean Lee from AskFX, like Amanat, like Kojo Forex, Jeffrey Benson, like Happy Forex, like Lesiba Mothopi. Yeah, you find people talking about those South Africans and West Africans and also the Europeans, okay? Because those guys have made it in Forex. So if you go and look at those guys, how they live their lives, you draw inspiration from watching their video, you'll be motivated enough and you'll get extra strength to push and become a successful trader, guys. The next thing is you need to take some days off of the charts, guys. Don't be on the charts from Monday to Sunday or Monday to Friday, guys. Every single hour you need to take some time off of the charts to reflect on how you've been trading, to see if you are actually following your trading plan, and by doing so you will be able to refresh your mind and get back into the market fresh, and then maybe you could go and make a kill in the market next time after refreshing your mind. So learn to take some time off of the charts. Don't be addicted to the charts to the point that you cannot even leave the charts for any hour or 2 hours or 3 hours to go and relax, maybe at the town square, or go out and do some little shopping, something like that. So consider taking some time off the charts and come back while you refresh yourself. You need to burn all bridges behind you. I've seen people come into the Forex market, including some of my students. They come to Forex market, when they make a loss, they start remembering their previous life before trading. They start saying, why don't I go back to how I used to be before trading? Trading is so complicated. This trading is something that I can't learn easily. They are going backwards in their thinking. So when you come into trading, put your whole heart there and burn all the bridges behind you, so that you don't have to keep going backwards in your thinking. You have to only focus on the future and progress from there. So don't keep on going backwards while you're actually trading. That will cause you to misfire, and you'll end up not being successful in your trading journey. That is one of the things that actually affected me also in the beginning. I would get out of the market, abandon it for a month or two, then get back to it and all that. And all that time I'm out of the market, I lose all of that time that I would have put in to gain more experience. So please don't keep on going backwards. Burn all the bridges behind you and keep going forward. That will make you to become a profitable trader in a long run, guys. Number 9 is appreciate what the market gives you. You come into the market with $100 and then place a trade, and then you find yourself maybe having $150 of profit. So you have your account now running at $250 equity, and then you start thinking, should I close the trade? Should I? What are you thinking about, guys? Take the 150 profit, close the trade, and then maybe even withdraw your initial capital. Take what the market gives you and move on. Come back next time and make another killing, guys. Don't always stick around the market with your profit. Take your profit and run away from that trade. Come back the next time, take another trade and smash it just like that, and keep on growing your equity, keep on growing your experience, keep on settling your psychology. Because whenever you withdraw money or close your trades and withdraw money, your psychology is taken care of. You start to think like you are a successful trader, and in doing so you help yourself generally to become more profitable. And the final thing is, when you come to the market, have realistic expectations. Okay, I see so many people, just like in the previous example I talked to you guys about. I see people coming to the market with $100 and they want to go and make $500 in 1 day or 2 days. They want to flip that account. They want to flip that account to the point that they actually go and buy themselves a BMW. Okay, they see other traders flashing Lamborghinis and all that kind of stuff, and they also think that by going with $100 they can do that within 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or even 1 year with $100. Guys, that is not possible with trading. With trading, the amount of capital that you invest in it is the amount of money that you are going to expect in terms of profit. You can't expect to get $1 million from investing $100. Okay, you can grow it to $1 million. There is nothing impossible with that. But it will take a long time, probably even 10 to 20 years for you to take $100 to $1 million, guys. Trading properly with proper risk management can take you over 20 years. But if you have, for example, $100,000, it will take you like 2 to 3 years to grow $100,000 to $1 million. So you can see that there is a difference there. Have realistic expectations based on your account size. And with that, guys, I would like to say thank you guys for watching. Give me a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, share this video with your friends, and please give the channel some support. Until next time, if you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll discuss. Watch my other videos that are being suggested here. And guys, till next time, peace out.